Me and Babe just went through some pretty crazy traffic in Manila to get here, but we're at the Mall of Asia. Let's check out this place. It's pretty huge. Y'all are gonna love it. Whenever we were getting close to the mall, it was getting way bigger than I thought it was. And when we walked inside, there was so many stores and there's like so much space. It was amazing. They have a huge indoor selection of stores, not to mention they have a bunch of stores outside too, which I think is really awesome. Okay, so this place is pretty huge, as you can see. I hope y'all are enjoying the video so far. There's a bunch of stores inside and outside. A lot of really cool things going on in here. I'm gonna show you as much as I can, but this place is huge. I don't think I'll be able to cover all of it, so I hope you enjoy. They also have a lot of entertaining things to do there too. They have bowling alleys, laser tag, movie theaters, and some cool places where you can drop the kids off if you're trying to go have some fun, relax for a little bit. So we're heading over to Entertainment Plaza off of Seaside Boulevard. This place looks pretty cool. It's right across the street, so we're gonna check it out too. was this like amusement park right on the outside by the coast of the Mall of Asia. So you knew we were heading over there. That was the Mall of Asia here in Manila. Hope y'all liked the video. If you get a chance, you should definitely come out. This place is huge. It's got a bunch of places to eat at, fun stuff to do, not to mention a lot of stuff to buy. Great views as well if you go to the entertainment district. It's pretty sweet. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, like it, share it, love it. Peace out.